Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your ALCATEL X3 2019, for the first you have to enter the settings, and right now scroll down, click on the languages, enter the languages and input. Right now you have to click on the virtual keyboard and choose the keyboard that you are using. Actually, in my case this is the Gboard. Go for the theme, and as you can see here we have the couple of themes. So maybe we can go for the colors and click on the show more. So right now just click on your favorite color. I will go for this one and just tap on the apply to activate it. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.